Music licensing reimagined.
Sambonani, I'm Onse and I have my brother Kibzin, and welcome to episode 2 of OT Podcast. And today we have one of our guests, which is the host, a booking manager and more. But before we get to that, we'll only something fast. Don't subscribe, like and share, and click in the notification to on whenever we upload, be notified. And back to today's guest, we have as I said, we have a booking manager, a host, and Ndanga wins more of the thing. So, Tinga waste this cutscene.
So what up people, it's your boy Scooby Mfana Happy. You know what it is, you know what isn't, from the Night Boys family. Yeah, today we OT podcast and pay to onset. We here. So yeah, as he said, I'm a booking manager, content creator, host, the event organizer. So basically I focus more on media, but I'm getting to that.
Feeling grand dog.
Dog.
Short. Tukzit.
Tukzin.
Sure.
Today is about to podcast. Today man so show like music by more like a sponsor or credential. What's the son of another sponsor? So before singing we into deep. Ufuna like ungazise like amagama because ngabe ngokushaya ngamagama ethu Scooby.
So kahle nje basically most abantu abalazi igama lami but igama lami nguSiphesihle ngwakwasithole. Yeah, and I go by Mfana Wehabli since like I'm a Habli enthusiast. When I say Habli enthusiast, I mean everything I do evolves around Habli. That's where the content Habli came about. Sure. And then I became Mfana Wehabli due to content creation. Sure. And then Uskubi, it's a nickname I've always had, like Mankula, like Amagency, nickname I say high school.
Sure.
Yeah. And then Uskubi is more of like an entertainer. Sure. Yeah, bro? When I say an entertainer, not saying Mfana Wehabli is not. He is. Like content, it's funny, But Uskubi, man's entertainer, hosts, you name your events, you name your artist booking, like mostly Scooby is the part of me like I get to experience for me now. It's okay, me now umuntu othanda ukwenza lento le, and then Mfana Wehabli igama engitsebenzisile because it's how I came about.
Sure. Yeah. So yeah, like ngiyakuza mara ngifuna sibuyele like siqale ekuqaleni yonke lento. Like ngifuna like before ube nguScooby or before ube ngumfana weHappy, I'm sure uyintwana encane yasekhaya nto. Ufuna ngitshele banzi ngalentwana lencane yasekhaya lakukhule kanjani izinto njalo.
So yeah, khula kwami kahle ngiphuma eWhite City.
Sure.
Kenza funde khona primary yami, and then when I went to high school, that's when ngiqala ngiza eSneak Park there. But ngifunda lapha, but it's just that the primary was closer to where I stayed. So move over to Jabulani Technical, that's when ngenze khona funde khona high school yami. Bula bese ngikhona this side full time.
Sure. Yeah. So most of the time yakho like ukhula kwakho you spend the day White City.
No, most of the time it's this side, like Snake Park.
Oshoto eheza usitsho ba like ukhulela eSnake isikakhulu. So like into obvious nabantu abafuna uyazi yabona mase reputation yeSnake Park injani, like iSnake Park injani. So wena hezini ukuthi ufikelele ube nguScooby, like wenze njani ukuthi uhlale straight like kule nto ufuna uyenza, like ungabi distracted izinto ezenzeka la eSnake Park?
It's actually quite like a funny story because yeah, I'm cool like Kasi and everything, and Scooby came when I was still in high school, like in Pushama brand. I used to work with Proxy, Spider-Man Effect, they are Toops. Shout out to Utebu Kongo, shout out to you, Shaders on. So yeah, and then like in the window because Spider-Man Proxy brand, so I would go to a mama. So benga sumuntu wase kasi like pressing se kasi vele but ngifunda ngaphandle izinto enzenza mostly ngizenza ngaphandle. Yeah, into enjalo, and then ngathola ama chance ami la sekasi employment nani. That's how we are. But ukuze meeting okay knowing about school Mfana Wehabli something eqale whilst ngisasele eSandton.
Sure.
Khona ama chance ami nje wangithatha they took me to stay with them that side. So when I got that side, I'm like, we've got so much potential. Why am I in Instagram? To a point where I'm going to TikTok, and then but to Facebook, I need to get like username right. And then that's when I'm finally have I feel like, so what? What's how we have like I couldn't test my zone to me around. Kajang, what's how we have? Not like by the way. And then I did my research. There was no one to we had. That was the only one. There was not even like a hashtag or anything that we had. I started the whole motion. Then I was like, okay. And then I just they had like a video like I would do like when I freestyle and I do my shoot. But I would never post them. I posted WhatsApp. And then I started posting and then yeah, that was back in 2021 late to 2022. You know, like same poster are cool. And then maseng buya ekhaya like whenever I share around like we saying feed any shoots I saying a different punch. And then now all of a sudden I'm with 6k followers. In fact, those things about my followers like I'm a chance as Facebook about say what. And followers I'm like sharp. Keep on posting like I'm just posting I'm like doing things enjoy. And then I ended up like being a sensation. Then it was easy. And then yeah, Masengu because people already knew okay, this boy content creator.
Sure.
And then in terms of events, the social events, I'm a Easter celebration and the cast just about to share set up. So they will masamunyana koni picture me DJ bene sound utalo. Sakania. Spansim to zaki and then it got to a point where you wasn't catching emotion like what saying trend and bang text that might be what's how about who's this host the cast dimension. I was like, okay, sharp. Nina, I don't know what my tent is there, so share all black. And then that's when it started like into Yama event. It's okay, now I can like do Ama events, like I can host because of I've hung around so many influential people don't being that side. So I ended up having Ama Connect. So isn't those seasons are like we
So from Buyada like SMT, like Tolamachita like a Mr. SMT Macren. Like I'm sure that life very easy from compared to the cars and so.
Yeah, but I'm a whole man. I was to get from Ekasi to that side. I'm going to feel that side was busy to that side, you know? And then that's when they told me, no, they want potentially because they would tell me like it's a push into the brand. Like I want to look back on it, but now we're into yeah. So boy, like that's when I started saying a brand. I mean the smoke up, because I was used to working in my brands. So I promoting my brand. Let me just shine to because like I wouldn't really reach like the potential in now if it wasn't for them. Because I'm going to say inside Lambing allows it's okay. You can be a creator, like you can do it. You can be like a media personnel.
Always usitsho my talk like mabuya phekas obvious bayalazi igama lakho bayakwazi but I'm sure akhona machita apha ekasi like ostrugglishe nawo yabo so mawubuye ekasi ke like mandithi uza ekasi uzoshaya ejika like amachita grand for wena yonke into grand
because when we went that side emergency was invited emergency was also vacation anytime they want like but free but me I've been khala
so like from amachita wako kule now like I know you like in amachita like ni violent like a grand I'm sure like akona amachita like from ekasi or from kule now from dala phuma indlela zawo so zama ukuthi like yini like wena eyakhipha ukuthi like ube straight endleleni because I'm sure like una amachita from eSkele phuma because if ubheka like ekasi like sizintwana like mase school kanje like siyawabona like if unomacala kanje uyawabona like amachita wakho like khona like abaziphuma endleleni orazayenza ukuthi like yini wena yenze ukuthi hayi lazima ufuna ukufocus le content creator shaya le focus yini like
I think more than anything just to cut it short I think I had the right people around me.
Sure.
And growing up in an environment where Unuput uses drugs, like you see it's not a thing you want to do. So being around that environment also teaches you and the people I had around me had like the same mindset in the place. No, we have to do it. Like maybe if as because kune-stigma ukuthi Snake Park in.
Sure.
So why not thina sizichange because noma singeke sichange but do something at least.
Yeah, do something better
Yeah.
for it.
So now since like kukhona abantu aba-inspire like obvious wakhona amajita like abawule mhlawumbe unyathela kwenyathelo zakho like afuna uba nguwe kanjalo, so ungawacebisa kanjani ukuthi mhlawumbe if afuna uthatha le type of work oyenzayo, so ungawacebisa ukuthi ahlale njani?
Ileyo iyangawo yazi as umuntu, but mina advice engabanika yona, whatever you feel like into ungayenzi iyenze, because I could have stayed as a content creator, I could have stayed as ngizama ukuthi from kube content creator ngifuna ukuba influencer and be like influencer and but ngiphumile ngaba event organizer, ngaba host, ngajoin izinja zami ama Night Boys. Shout out to Night Boys Soweto by the way. Yabo. So whatever you want to do, just do it, and along the process just believe in the process. I'll call you like I've had so many heartbreaks like to a point where maybe I could have even committed suicide, but into a pusher like the drive, I don't know how to explain it, like like you see where you want to be but you're not there.
Sure.
So we push kusikenzakala nendleleni mfethu sobona udila naye because akekho umuntu osifundisayo, there's no one teaching us about the game. Emotion like cars she happy and but at the end of the day nami ngizama ukuexpress.
Sure.
I'm trying to showcase something. I never thought I'm this good but I'm that good.
Sure.
So into njalo, and when I say Baba inspired, it's not only this thing you have, they can't be
Sure.
inspired by they have the pen. They see it's okay, he's doing this and this, when's the event, when's the, you know, they see growth.
Sure.
That's the growth I want them to look at. Banga Piggy, everything has a good and a bad side.
Sure.
But if you're doing mostly good things, the bad things don't matter. So it's majority over minority.
Sure.
Yeah.
But like from last kuya khona like ikasi, don't you think like most yabantu bahlala khona ba follow the bad side more than the good side?
Yeah, because kwamanye country this thing like is legal, man.
Sure.
Now I would wish to go to Arab, go to places like where Mahabi are in
Sure.
Even the name Scooby Gilani, there's that Gilani. They don't even know where that Gilani comes from. So Gilani basically is the founder you have. It's Abdul Fat Gilani. I'm not sure if he's a crane, but we founder you have.
Sure.
So that Gilani, I used it because I was the first person who went into Zevape Nihabi and get noticed. Like I turned the hobby into a career.
Sure.
So even though this better goes back to the culture. Khona abantu abaspina like abaspina imoto abadrifthayo. It's a sport, but mostly people they will think into zamagitsa nana.
Sure.
Yeah, ihabli umsweko for me. It's just umsweko like uchoma,
Sure.
polars, showcase to avoid intaining khula ku environment nama drugs nana.
Sure.
And everyone is addicted to something. So rather ngithanda into le ngithanda, not saying ukuthi abantu bathanda ihabli or they should do what I'm doing ihabli. No, I'm just expressing myself.
So like as we coming from like we're coming from ikasi lapho drugs like into more famous, don't you think like ukushaya ispan sakho this is a happy like contributor to that drug process ekhona already ikasi?
In terms of substance abuse,
yeah, because if ubhekile no most abantu amajita amabhaya bheme okapaya,
because you know why umsweko.
Sure, but at the end of the day nenxoso ezincane zilapho process. I'm sure now uyazibonela mawuvaya kwi-event.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but
sure,
as fucked up as it is, ne lento le fana notshwala fana nogwayi.
Sure.
Umuntu odlula la aphethuka, you can't tell me ukuthi a boy ungabhemi but at the same time udlula ungitshela uphethu ugwayi ngesandla.
Yeah, cause angithi ngizama ukukhuza kule path esengihambile, ngifuna ukuze kule path esengihambile already.
But uphethu ugwayi ngesandla.
Yeah. But ngizama ukuthi like it's more like le way ukuthi buza indlela kwabantu abaphambili.
Yeah.
Like iphindi buyele la, cause if like uzongitshela ukuthi ngiye kugwayi ungacabu ungamazi ugwayi ungazama ubhema, why uzongitshela ungayazi process yakho ukuthi nje kanjani?
Yeah, so why would you tell me ukuthi relax on hobby and whatnot whilst the generation was not even that tapped into hobby?
You mean which generation?
I mean the generation before us, abazali bethu,
Sure,
the people I get backlash from. Like I understand hobby, they don't know how it works or they think it's just drugs. And it's tobacco. Tobacco is legal. Fine utshwala is legal and there's no one okuforsa you go there and you buy for yourself. If you can't maintain umntana uthenga izinto leyo, and then the problem is you. How are you looking at yourself as a parent?
I think maybe if we maybe ungatshela abazali maybe abekemereni ukuthi asi drug, let's say.
Okay, so we still recording.
Yeah, recording.
Yeah, so in terms of ukuyisho ukuthi ihab is not necessarily drugs or something. I know it's a substance. It goes towards a substance abuse, and I'm wrong for promoting such. But I'm just expressing myself, and I can't really control ukuthi ubani ubona ini. If umntanakho gets to have access to e-content, what does that say about you as a parent? You understand? Smartphones, we know, but are you even monitoring that phone? Ukuthi umntanakho wenza into ekhona, or that into engisho? And if uyabhema ihab nani, one thing I can say, mina, people who smoke heavily and endlini, they know you won't have them having problems with that. It starts when you start hiding it from abazali bakho. That's when you start having problems with it, because you're making it kathi drug. Like why you feel if you phuza utshwala, like there's nothing they can do because utshwala legal.
Okay, like ngizwe ukuthi la ngikutshela abazali ukuthi like baye monitoring ifoni zabantwana zabo and like bangabazali abanjani, like once athola umntwana akho ubheme okho, but like when to your own parent dog, like how did she feel or how did he feel that time told ukuthi wena ubheme how?
Okay, firstly, ngidlala nomagogo.
Sure.
Yeah, ngiyambonga for everything she's done for me, but ngamtshela, like I never heard it from her. Like ngamtshela ngiyayibhema lento. And it's not drugs. Like now amanzi na tobacco na charcoal ngiyayivala. So basically ngishisa le tobacco le and ngiyabhema. So I know it's not good for my health and whatnot, but not everything like is too much of everything is not good for you.
Sure.
So don't overdo it. Just yenza into if you're comfortable now, don't do it because someone else is doing it. You have mina ngibhema because ngibone ubani banayibhema. No, like you have benithanda ngayibhema yangichaza, and then I started like being interested kulento le, and I started watching abantu abavaphayo, watching people who smoke heavily, like for example breathing exercises and what to do and what not to do as a smoker. So yeah, danger.
So like I understand. So like utufake iflavor tobacco, ufake charcoal. So like when do you think like out of 100% like abantu ababheme happy, do you think ngeyiphi percent eningi like because no abantu sebefake iganja?
Yeah, of which series are dirty pipe. There's dirty pipe and clean pipe. Clean pipe it's where there's no weed. Dirty pipe it has weed. Cannabis is legal for private use. So it goes with preference. You understand? I'm going back to that thing in generation it.
Sure.
Ukwai happy. Penywa insam. And then some people would combine the two.
Sure.
It goes with preference. So I can't really say ukuthi EEP EPT, it goes with preference, and as far as ngabantu imizimba yethu reacting okufana.
Sure.
Also gogo after umtshelile ukuthi like uyayibhema lewe like why was
obviously as a parent she has to react mele akwade nan, but I showed her ukuthi akusama like I'm not hiding anything.
And then after ke ngwazange like akuphathe different or akubone different like after
No,
so
not exactly, because me I started smoking happily at a young age because I would hang around people who are a bit older than me. Yeah, so benizifihla but njengoba ngithi ngiziveze like when I was like 16 it was okay and I can enjoy.
So bengisanduza manje kuthiwa ama vapor like abheniwe kwenye country. Yeah, so when how would you feel if ever maybe happy ingabhena la South Africa or essential since like umuntu attached like happy, so because let's say because since abazali bebona happy ingasoyi tobacco bayibona ezingathi le drug for example, so when ungathini if ever kumfikela to a point ukuthi mhlambi ibhekwe happy, so like
Everything has its own struggle.
yeah.
Even before cannabis became legal. But what I'm doing is I'm building my own culture, right? I want to be hardly.
Sure.
That's why I even did a brand in the smoke hub for Abantu. Be hardly. And ihabli, it's such a common thing of which you are told as a groove, like at
Sure,
pubs,
sure.
they rent it out and whatnot. So what's wrong about that? Because if you can't control umuntu, umntanakho, or discipline them, or get them to be comfortable enough with you to tell you it's by enzyme, and then thinking I could be happy, it's with you.
As you see, as Buchilo qala like who started in a young age, like buhlala nabantu abakhlotik now. So like in obviously nabantu abafuna uyazi like bengibani mentor yakho like kuyo yonke lonto like umuntu beka yenza sure ba okay like ukubonisa indlela right kuzo zonke izinto.
Especially like with this band sakho is.
Like I said, those gents I can't really disclose because of the career and it doesn't go along with the things I do, but I can use my nickname or whatever.
Sure.
So it goes to people like our pops, people like Kabumtiel, people like Abostu, Dela, Bambata.
Sure.
They will tell me, yeah, we are paying. What if you're risking your health for nothing? I would also rather get something out of it.
Sure.
And there's people who do extreme things to get paid, like anything to get paid. I'm not saying to do anything to get paid, but if it works for you, use it. That's why they say use what you have to get what you want. Umfana Wehabli gave me the platform, Yuguti, was to reach the audience around, of which that audience I used it to Uba Lomuting we are today.
So kuso sonke like is struggle like uye ufesene naye like unaye like umuntu ohlekisana naye like oye like uye kuye like mhlambi mandithi ufuna upholisa umoya kunzima like unaye umuntu othandana naye something.
Yeah, you can say that because as a creator, as someone who media, you need a support structure. Because angeke support abangani bami they don't support me like I expect them to.
Sure.
And it's okay. Angeke umuntu abelieve into like once it starts like really happening, bazobelieve kuwe kahle and they're gonna support you as much as you do. Don't seek clarity from anyone. Do what you wanna do and go sharp. So it goes back to that of having a partner. Yeah, they get better with the time to be quite, especially the work I'm doing. Like I will get my texts because of what I'm doing in Zayo, or I'm around girls because who post that I'm not cutting, standing cartel. Like it's really draining and any check you invest and you don't reciprocate the same any check. So you need to have someone also understand that. And when I say those understand, I don't mean I understand the I need someone who will do their research about the type of thing you're doing and help you grow as an individual. And if they can't help you grow, you can grow for yourself. You don't need anyone to tell you it's it all hangs in your hands. If you come back rent,
Mina ngifuna nje ukubuza nje about yini le ngehappy like eyenza ukuthi wonke umuntu mana afuna ukuba involved kuya like yini special let's say about
Like what attracts you when where people jump, you make attract everybody.
Ihabli ngishilo, angisasho namanje. Umsweko. You understand? Mashayiteke on, you attract abantu labo bantu labo. Mashayisikipe on, you attract abantu bafuna leso skipa leso banqani style sabo. So
Okay.
with me being able to do tricks, like smoke tricks, young sees a lot because I'm expressing myself. Find umuntu masemchayivuni, uzofika chai. I impress them, I'm impressed whoever would get impressed because abantu baporegile. That's one thing I can tell you. You think I realize the content. They're able to watch anything for their own amusement and enjoyment. That's why it's not my dance and whatnot. So me, I would just do my own sound and that. And then, yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm showing, I'm expressing myself, I'm speaking to them. It's okay, I can do this.
Sure.
Now I'm a child, and now I'm a DJ, now I'm a MC. I mean, I was a baby boy. So now I'm as niche. Now I'm saying, it was called. You can express, I was express through fashion. You understand? Omunye unamathanga athu emzimbeni uzeexpressa ngaleyo nto leyo.
So lama happy hamba kanjani because ngisenobona amanye mafishane
Anginayo like full information. So shall I knowledge yami yabo. I know. Obviously there's those old ones la amancane lawa ngaya
Yeah.
yabo mina ngibiza ngaboguqa. The reason why ngibiza ngeguqa because imnandi and emawubheka mina ugogo but nani nawukhumbula amasho ngamiyana namakhona yeah and then there's the classic, the original, the old best Egyptian, of which is this one le abayenze kanje ngeTV, and then there's German pipes, biza nge-German pipe, the one you assemble le standard. Like I said, even umswenko khona itebi ozothenga li price kanje, you get this. Khona itebi ozothenga price ngalithote kanje. So the more kanjalo is market value now, umswenko angeke ibe nento eyi-one lonke efanayo. What makes you special? So iba nento yakho grand. Yeah, and then
Okay, let me say ukuthi
ngikhohlweni one, there's also i-portable pipe guys ngiyayazi. Ile ngitshela ngakuthi udriver makathi asingene nepipe eUbeni siyaye the one oyibheka ohamba. That's the most recent one, like was ibheka ohamba like ngathi cup like solingaka and then ngabheka nje ohamba. So that's how advanced and how good the
bosasho like nge-challenges ozifacile there throughout like the way uyenzayo and ureache like wafikelela like nakwi-thoughts ukuthi cabanga ucommit suicide like
No, I've never been the type ukuthi ngibe suicidal because kunabo abantu abangisupporta ngithi I'm saying if I was someone else ngingekho strong enough I could have committed suicide because khona ama-challenges like noma ngisho ukuthi ama-heartbreak awazi ukuthi udila nayo kanjani because then uyayithanda like uyayithanda but iphula umoya because you also think ukuthi kuba ngenzanga lento kube ngaba yini or kube like kuba nama what if questions and akusinto efunekalayo. If you believe in what you do, stick to it, it's gonna work out. Not now, not in ngiyazi abantu bahlele basho leyo nto leyo ukuthi trust in the process. Sure. I was a process which it's how long, but eventually it works out and you reach our milestones and progress is progress no matter how small it is.
So like when I get a challenge like why face like I feel good I feel like not give up after the challenge go to be face or the heartbreak go to be solved.
Okay, so when I say I've like a backlash, when I say backlash, content I'm
Sure.
I would get abantu abazo comment like I'm a comment a bit are you even worried about your health in abazali yazi mpembalento yabo. So it's those type of things. It's okay, abantwana like bayamthanda but what I'm pushing some people don't like understand the thing in ukuthi nabayazi.
Okay, sure, angiyakuzwa njani. So like siyayivala no the topic yama-happy ne-content.
Yeah, sivale ngabo over.
So like yini ongayisho like kwintwana ezibhemi okapati yini advice ongazikayo?
Yo,
Like intwana
just don't overdo it.
Ikhona vele intwana encane like benizibonile mina sibhema okapati like ezantwana zidistracted, ezantwana zihlala the whole day zibhema like ngeke uzibone ziphumile like zisivaleli bona ezantwana like ezinye ziyafunda mara science yentona
because even nobody like intwana ziyageleza ekuseni before ziyesike qala ziyonokha like emajideni qala zibanjwe session before the west. So I want to like
Happy is an addiction. Lokho ngiyawazi and for that iyabheda because now like umhlaba esiphila kuwo everything is just out there like nabakwazi ube ne-access kimi because everything is out there and nami in my own way fede ngiyenzile mistake ngokuthi I've exposed certain things kulabantu labo yabo. But all I can say is prioritize izinto ezibalulekile. Sometimes you might think we're doing this like you will have your own perception now,
sure,
but you don't know. Maybe I'm feeling pay me hard. I'm here phoning, dealing with bookings. I'm busy dealing with my fly. I'm busy promoting an event. I'm pay me hard at the same time. I'm working. When I'm not paying me hard, I'm paying me hard doing time. Sure. Because now I'm under service. Now I'm graduate. I pay me hard. Why don't you go to that? But now in my room in there, he would smoke hardly a food and that's what I'm a great right. Why don't you go to that?
I don't think happy is a problem. I think it depends on doing.
It's the stigma around it.
Not discipline about
influence.
So yeah, so for me, like, I don't think you would have a problem. I think you would, if ever when you was also responsible for yourself, could have okay, was based on a mistake.
Prioritize izinto ezibalekile and the abangani they're not everything, because I know who have this yahlangana khona ama session hlanganisa imali inini khona abantu abangabangani just because of ubhema khona ungani wakho nje ugwayi usingabhema noma or ungani wezolo uyamlanda mayobhema yabo. It goes to even that. So prioritize into ezibalekile empilweni at the end of the day. And if wena uzofuna ukupenda sonke isikhathi sakho uhlele endaweni one anything abazali bakho bathini, or how are you gonna like grow yourself as a person? Sure. In sure.
Now since like le topic ihabli like this sibekele ecaleni like bese funa usixelele more like nezinye izinto ezenzayo fana ne-events nokumane yabo.
With this thing, my events, I've worked with a lot of pubs. I've been meeting people, and in the circle, I mean, and we exchange numbers. Some people see the potential. You could help me be this and this and this, and I would try to do that, and it works. So I would be sort of like their acting booking manager. One text, and then I'll talk to them, and then we do it. Because I know it's not uktini abakhona banama management now but they don't have access fana abantu abasazi ngepark. Ezinye indawo so they not tapped into it, so badinga abantu abafana nathi abantu abahosta kwezinye izinto so that sibafana. It goes to being a booking manager. And with events, it's a thing I enjoy doing. It's more about giving people the experience and taste of music, because ngifuna bezwe into engizwa like I don't know angazi uchaza like ngifuna bafeel into engifila like ngiyajabula mangibona gqolele abantu ba enjoy the music lo onika okhishwa abantu engiba introduce to bona. Basically it's more of like nginikele umuntu on platform ukuthi aziveze and people are enjoying that. So into enjalo. And going back to izinto zama events, the hosts and everything, gents, it's not a competition. When it's collaborating, it's not about who to basela bani or ufuna ukwenza imali. If you're doing it, do it out of love. I've been hosting endaweni eziningi ngibhayizisekile ngendlela zami ngibhayiziseka ngazo, but I'm glad ukuthi ngifundile and I've grown from that to know what to do and what not to do. So as collaborating over everything, because sometimes ngizosoleka senza in day one. Like sensonke senza day one shama even I'm not the only one enza into le, but ngiyenza ngendlela ya nawenza ngendlela ya. But at the same time, when you compete and I'm not even competing with you, I'm doing this because I want to. So yeah, let's just collaborate and make sure. And to our pub owners, siyabonga for my opportunity to speak out, and we're always grateful for you guys because you sometimes do things you're not comfortable with doing, and believing what's and it turns out sometimes in my relationship they don't end how we want them to be, but regardless of everything, we're just grateful for opportunities. And yes, be more kinder to my event organizer, be more kinder to the youth, because we know what we want and we know what people want. But not all the time, but whenever we can, just please.
Like uhlala nawe like today, like sport, like obviously ngifunde into ezininzi ngawo, but into enkulu like endiqwalasele ukuthi like uyathanda ukuthi kusetshenziswane like sipushane phambili like so for lo way for him like ngawish ukuthi ungasucceeda like yonke into yenzayo life ibe grand bentswembu like so awunawo amazogqibela mhlambi ku fans zakho kwabantu abakulandelayo noma yini ongayisho.
Firstly, I'd like to say shout out to Nike Boys Soweto again. People don't understand what's in Nike Boys, like how it came about. In Nike Boys, ET, siyapusha nama hosts, there's different people, tattoo artists, nama vocalists, we do different things, but in day one. And we've been friends, it's not a good see, no. We've been friends, just that but as somehow God created me. Even day one. And I'm grateful for that. We're grateful for our pubs, our ex, Ezondi, Magubenjalo. We'll shout out to Jalo, shout out to the owner, like was Petegati Magubenjalo.
Sure.
Shout out to SMK for believing in us. with Amana boys, we can do it. We did it, man. Shout out to Zone 6. Shout out to Pop and Mostego. Like, I mean, we don't come out, but say about pretty very. And that's one thing I want most people to believe in the youth. And in those situations, yonke into izoyenza ngesikhathi sayo. Ngazi amagama asanashiya ngiyaphila. Yonke into izoyenza ngesikhathi sayo because you don't really know where you might end up in life, and you don't really know where you might end up. Sure. You might get yourself jobs somewhere. Singibukela ABC, ngibukela le multi-choice because of what you guys are doing, and people from MultiChoice will get to see me because the Nigi platform. Sure. So I'm grateful for that. I feel too, no competitions, no nothing, just collaborate and support one another. And yeah, like do use expressing and you often use express ngayo. Ungalimitwa ukuthi ubani uzothini syndrome, no. Sure. Like iba uwe and stick to you and keep on doing what you're doing. Nani uzothini yenzayo. So ngesibeni mnandi.
So like ngifuna ukusho like into eyi-one dog since uthi le way yahappy ngomswenko dog before siyivale le topic yahappy like ngifuna like ukubuza nje just two things dog like what if like something happens kuwe dog bad like uzosho la sekugcineni ukuthi it was just umswenko for wena dog or what if let's say
ayikho engabulali. Even net driving, it's a risk itself. You never know what someone can go in what don't.
Sure.
So everything has its own risk. But let me express myself the way I want to express myself. I mean, what I'm doing is art. For me, it's art. Regardless of what they think, it's art. And it helped me reach a wider audience of people.
Yeah.
I got them a text. Epa, don't you want to be in my music video? I was in a music video by Matanos and Soul Revolver, Hookah. It's a hookah song, hookah. Oh, sure. Say that. Got a DM, Soul Revolver. Music video. Just for open pipe.
Sure.
Oh, I'm there. Yeah. I get my deals about, can you promote this and this for me? Oh, why? You've got numbers. I'm going to kind of views. Oh, I get a much chance. I'm like, go meet. I can't keep up. Please use this sound on your TikTok. Nihab.
Sure.
Hub would open doors for me. That's what I'm saying. I got a deal with things like Amulet Sword, Zere. I promoted Kenny Best products, you name it, your edibles. They know. It goes to this thing, Abazadi, Banging backlash when it comes to Habi, but when I promote it, there was what benefit, they're able to get comfortable with me and text me. So it's what I want to get in,
so like it's best to abandon like happy more than scared.
No, I'm not going to that. Scholar is everything. Scholar is everything.
Sure.
Scholar is everything. I wouldn't found myself if I didn't go to school.
Sure.
I wouldn't have had the influence of being the thing if I didn't go to school. So you need to go to school. It's a life journey. You need to partake so you can find yourself.
Yeah.
Some people it doesn't work out for them because it's not an environment for one.
Sure.
Like for example, Tina, I'm a child, if I'm not mistaken, it says 7 out of 10 boys are colorblind. So imagine and there's things that identify Amakala more food. How would you work on that? I did electrical engineering, there's color coding, and conduits, layer radiance, and this thing means what, means how many powers, rays, and whatnot. So, about they had problems with those things because of the internet.
Sure.
And so, it was true.
Yeah.
But Amakala was, but there was true. Like Amakala in Amagawa page, our bona is a but more said what in our was. Colabata was food Amakama, like Ganj.
Manabaya but when I only own dog like it, cause dog like no if you pay the dogs quite like you can't see from the SA dog like it stay like state as you go as a cockerel.
Who said that's a cockerel?
Like he has one dog. Like
that's your problem. You check where AC corner and whatnot. When I Uber, what do you see yourself as? Like forget about the environment. People have been making money 30 years back even. Let me not say 30 years back, probably like 20 years back.
Sure.
With content creation. Guma YouTube but it started booming in terms of lockdown. That's when people started getting tapped in with dollars. That's when now I started posting videos because I'm and most of us don't have enough information about content, the content monetization and getting paid for your content. Yeah, so it's lack of information. Not because it's into as no, it's lack of information. So struggling, for example, Tina, when it comes to events, I want to get sponsors, none for my event, but I have to push myself to make things happen. And when it starts happening, sooner or later it's gonna work out. I see over countries, some countries have it easier, some countries don't. But one thing I need to know is that you build yourself and you establish yourself. And once you establish, that bonus to turn and you get where you wanna be.
But like from where you wanna be, dog, you gotta like pin contribute to like it. It's either give back to your community, but you made a contribution in that. Like as when we content creator, dog.
Yes.
If like you beg a content creator and you should in a competition and stuff. Like if you beg like Makai Kanet, for example. Like he's a streamer now, he's a content creator, party. SIT whatever ends on live on camera. Unezinye izinto azenzayo that like he has contributed kwi-la hlala khona or kwezinye country dog like as a positive. So like
and he's showing us what you can make it doing what I'm doing if you're good at it and if you love it.
Yeah.
Sure.
But like like
how am I contributing back to the community?
Like how will you contribute like back to the community like if you're busy in a Bible, for example?
Okay, for example, like I said, you pipeline the audience.
Sure.
My brand, there's this brand Soft Mdlalo, Yala Sneak Park. When I couldn't say high school, I'm pushing the boy because now I had a dream with see brand I'm a big.
Sure.
So why not push him? Then he gets orders and numbers now what thing for what I'm enough to continue pursuing this. In fact, local brand Namabu because I promote about Basekas and I promote it to Anna.
Sure.
As I'm a brand. I was like, content okay, in a brand on the side. I'm like, okay, in a brand, sharp boy, guy, so promote it. Because it's like I said, you are not a whoopie man, it's 30 miles. Mama, what's going to need man? No, but some need 10K man, and I play a lamp.
Sure.
But if I'm the opportunity, then that's a different story. Goes back to how do you contribute to the community?
Sure.
When I do events, pub owners they benefit, Basekas. They have to give back to the community. And give it back to the community around. Not all the time, but the experience. That's giving back to the community. Sneak Park is not that bad.
Sure.
As you see each dog like like a product yalapha Snake, like a skipper. Like ungachazela nabantu like nefans zakho ukuthi like umuntu mhlawumbe ufuchazekile le trip like angayifumana kanjani since ilapha eSnake Park like yalapha eGaza.
Yeah, shout out to Soft Mdlalo. Here's the brand. If you wanna order on all socials, it's Soft Mdlalo. And then yeah, you'll see it. You'll see the boy is pushing, is doing the most. And there's a new one in Pusha, a hot mess. It's from Philadelphia. It's another boy in Sasi High School. Promoted. That's how I'm giving back to the community. I make people believe in their dreams, which is possible.
Sure.
And if I have people around me bigger than me, I'll gladly give you the connect because I'm giving you an opportunity. I'm not like giving you money or sometimes maybe giving back is about demand. It's not demand. It's about building. It's about making sure a community right. Because that's not recreational centers like Sneak Park. And if I corner, how am I not aware of them? Whilst the thing is I go meet. Why can't they tell us it's okay, we need you guys to host our live sessions, or we need our bands, or we need abantu abazofundisa music. We need abantu abazofundisa abantwana arts. We need abantu abazofundisa abantu
ikhona guys. Izinto like the way ukhuluma ngakhona like abafundisa khona abantwana uku-actor and stuff. Temkhona umtshito yenza.
Okay, and how is the community contributing to it? Like how are we supporting him as a community? Me being the person I am in a particular guys, why am I not aware of those things?
Because I think like like a lot of people don't pay attention into good things dog ngizokutshela lokho because ngakutshela ukuthi unesikhathi lo muntu like lento ayenza
yeah I know the director abo talent show abo China when it comes to sound and yeah but into engisho I know those people because it's Spanini SE1 into engizama ukuyisho ukuthini how can I say this people from Amamakasi they are allowed to do events emaholweni wabo like events but now we can't throw parties
because yazi mina like angifuni like ngiyazi ukuthi like sine problems after problems as you see like asinazi center and stuff but angifuni like siza with more problem I think ngaba ngibona futhi ngazokala ne solution because even if like uthatha abantwana yoba teachele parking because the park is a free space if uthatha abantwana yoba yenzela to something yoba teacher parking still the great thing dog asingafuna ucomplaina like izinto government angazenzi already akazenzi like thina as youth let's try like send something different like season ama solution
yes that's what we try to do thina esizayo that's what you guys trying to do and also ngiyabonga ukunika le platform eninginika yona please do subscribe please do follow please do whatever share comment like push it mafisi sicela like ayikabi sicela nje kahle so that abanye abantu bazokwazi ukuba ne knowledge about certain things because we lack knowledge sure. Because ukuthi nami anganto because I lack knowledge yabo and sidinga abantu abazosifundisa enough but what I'm saying is bangasinika ama resources I'm not saying they must give us money sneak park or they must give us tinama creatives demand or no I'm saying is give us an opportunity giving each other opportunities
also talk like if bungaso ngumfana we happy like if bungekho kwesi space ukuso manje like as in kwe-entertainment like as busitsho nawe qala bufundele i-electrical engineering like ngoyindoni like if bungaso i-content create
like into like ngathi idlozi I've never seen myself outside of media I've always been intrigued about entertainment and everything so I've never had anything else in this picture except into maybe by one or other people thought I might but me deep down inside if maybe I'm into music but I knew I'm into media like in media so working with brands also helped me with it's okay into I am like but I working with people and the makers
but obviously like did you like as elaxesha lesikolo like busasesescale like to please abazali obviously beyikhona lonto like
ngitshela mina mabhoko kusina into ngifuna ukuyenza like usho into efuna ngathi but I'm not saying ungayenzi I'm not saying iyenze but kuyophuma kuwe and ngayenza at first she didn't understand usikenzakala but as time goes on she started seeing it's okay ikanje lento le I would explain to her mhlalise phansi ukuthi hayi gogo futhi kusebenza kanje nakanje into njalo abhedile lapha ubhayizisile ubani like I would tell her everything so that she would understand what type of job and I'm doing and when she sees the progress I'm no longer like angidipendelanga endlini nana goes back to lento yokusebenza ne-brand because I wanted to have my own source of income so that ngizokwazi izinto zami ngizithandela ubumnandi and I can't be asking for izinto endlini yeah so I saw it through media like media there's lots of things you can do I'm not saying there's lots of money there is lots of money but there's a lot of things you can do to sustain yourself
so like into zamuyisho slime ukuthi like as like umkhulu intwana I'm sure like now one dream ukuthi ngayazi ufuna uba i-doctor or ufuna uba i-policeman like izintwana I'm sure like awukhulanga like ucaba udanze ubhema ipipe nge-recruit I'm sure now izintwana encane like bona something dog ukuthi amanyazi ufuna uba i-policeman ufuna ukufixa ikasi into enjalo
actually like if you know at high school then skate like they're different like ngendlela yami I was my own person so I've never had anything outside of the like basic kind of love like ngihlale ngis picture like ngilento le and as soon as lokho yenzeka even if like bengaboni progress at some time mina bengayiboni but people would see progress and of which being encouraged leon even though if there's nothing happening.
Yeah.
Even now, why don't you maybe you see, oh, Scooby, maybe wins Imali, or Scooby grand or rain. It's not even like that. I'm still the same person. It's Azam of it, it's just it's a perception of what you see of me.
Yeah.
So it's my job for me to deliver. And yeah, shout out to everyone. 5 April, birthday celebration, Yamino Ghost. Live Block 10, Snake Park 35319 Bata. See on, it's the third annual, we've been doing it. First one, Missy Dimension. Second one, Missy Solomzi. This year's Yenze Cast, it's in homecoming Bafetu. So we're grateful for the support. See you on the 5th. Thanks. Shout out.
Bafethu inkosi ngohlala nathi today sibehleli nobhuti weHalp. Mina i-episode ndi-enjoyile from iside lami, ndifunde okukhulu as besitsho nabo knowledge is power, so hayi i-knowledge endiyifumeneyo la vandag inkulu. Ndiyabulela kubhuti weHalp, inkosi Bafethu.
Peace out.
We're grateful for everyone who's niggas a chance. Grateful for the chance, for the platform.
Sure.
Grateful for everything in life. We are yonke into uNkulunkulu amba phambili idlozi nalo linawe. Siyabonga ukho konke sifuna nje ukuvikela, but ukho konke into engifuna ukuyisho nje before sivakala nje episode. Believe in yourself so that people can believe in you. Don't expect people to believe in you when not believe in you. You don't need clarification from anyone. And in terms of Abanyaban, when we ask for support, we're not asking for imani, or we just need moral support, or we just need an opportunity. So please give us an opportunity to do what we want to do. If you're not happy, then at least give me a chance to fail so I can grow from that. But if I only need a chance and you expect me to succeed without giving me a chance, how is that even fair? So yeah.